Good evening, dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed about the movement of geometrical shapes in a given square in terms of measurement in terms of arms. Today, we are going to learn the measurement of movement in terms of degrees. You already know what's an angle, how are you going to measure an angle, and types of angles also we have discussed. Based on the previous knowledge, today we are going to discuss the geometrical shapes, their movement in terms of degrees, and we are going to equate the movement in degrees with the movement in terms of arms. Dear students, let me start our discussion. Now let me write a picture here. See, you can see the picture here. See, now I am going to place a dot here. Can you name the position of the dot? Yes, it is top. Let us consider this as a first position. Now, let me take second position. See, what is this position? This position is right. In terms of arms, we can equate that one as from top to top right, half arm. From top right to right, another half arm. Together it will form one arm movement. See, this we are going to measure in terms of degrees. See, to measure in terms of degrees, we need to make small arrangements. We should consider the center of the square. Let us consider this as the center of the square. From that square, we need to draw an imaginary line to first position. Let me draw a dotted line. See, this is the line to the first position. Let me draw another line to the second position. You see here. See, this is second line. See, this is the common vertex, center of the square. See, now the movement has taken place from top to right side. An angle is formed between the first position top to the second position right. See, when you measure this in terms of degrees, can you tell me how many degrees it would be? Excellent. It is 90 degrees. So, you can equate 90 degree movement is equal to 1 arm. Okay, whenever a thing moves from one main position to another main position, from top to right, it is 90 degrees. In the same way, top to left also 90 degrees. Left to bottom, see, that is also 90 degrees. Like this, the first concept is whenever movement takes place from one main position to another main position, immediate main position, the degrees, the movement in degrees will be 90 degrees. A right angle movement will be there. Okay, now let us pass on to the next concept. See, now let me take other positions. See, first one we have discussed. Second one, you see. I have drawn a square on the board. Let me mark this one as first position and let me mark the corner position as the second one. See, first thing what we have to do, mark the center of the square, draw imaginary line to first position, draw another imaginary line to second position. Now an angle is formed between these two lines. Can you guess and tell me what will be the measurement of this angle? You think and tell me. Okay, let me explain. See here, in the previous, we have discussed that from main position to another main position, this is 90 degrees. See, let us say from top to left, it is 90 degrees. See, whenever movement happens from top to corner position, top left or top to top right, it will be exactly half of 90 degree, half of 90 degree. That means half of 90 is 45 degree. See, whenever the movement takes place in terms of degrees as 45 degree, can you equate it to in terms of arms? Very good, excellent. In terms of arms, it will be half arm movement. 45 degrees will be equal to half arm movement. Now, let me introduce one more concept to you. See, let us take from corner position to another corner position. Let me consider this one as the first position, dot. Top left to top right, consider this as the second position. See, the movement has taken place from here to here. See, in terms of arm, it is one arm movement. Now, let us measure the movement in terms of degrees. Let us mark the center of the square. Draw an imaginary line to first position. Draw an imaginary line to second position. An angle is formed. Can you try to guess this measurement? Very good. This is 90 degree. How I will explain? See, you divide this one. Top left to top. See, corner position to main position. Just now we have discussed. That was 45 degree. See, from again main position to corner position. That will be another 45 degree. This one. See, this one 45 degree. Another 45 degree. Together, it will be 90 degree movement. See, you keep it in your mind that whenever movement happens from one corner position to immediate corner position, the movement will be 90 degree. Top left to top right, 90 degree. Top right to bottom right, 90 degree. Bottom right to bottom left, 90 degree. Bottom left to top left, again 90 degree. Similarly, in the case of main positions also, top to right, 90 degree. Right to bottom, 90 degree. Bottom to left, 90 degree. Left to top, again 90 degree. See, 90 degree movement can be equated to one arm movement. Similarly, half arm movement can be equated to 45 degree movement. See, let us take now opposite positions. Let me draw a square. Let me draw one position here. Dot is in left position. Let us consider this as the first position. Opposite to left is right. Let us consider this second position. Mark the center of the square. Draw an imaginary line to left. Draw another imaginary line to right. See, what would be the measurement between these two lines? Exactly, it forms a straight line. Your guess is correct. It is 180 degree. Even you can divide it and check it. Left to top, main position to main position, it is 90 degree. Again, from top to right, this is 90 degree. 90 plus 90 together, it will form 180 degree. Can you equate it to measurement in terms of arms? See, from here to here, it is half arm. From top left to top right, one arm. From top right to right, another half arm. Together, when you put it, it will become two arms. So you can equate 180 degree movement is equal to two arm movement. See, dear students, this is the presentation of measurement of movement in degrees. In the yesterday's class, we have learned the measurement of movement in terms of arms. Now, today we have learned the measurement of movement in terms of degrees, and we have equated that degrees into the arms. Thank you for participating in the session, and following this there will be small activity. Let us join in that activity.